Hi, this is Kathy and welcome to my channel. This is where I talk about plants. I just received plant mail. It's actually Sunday evening. I didn't even realize that it had been delivered until I checked my email not that long ago. So anyway, if you'd like to see me unbox these plants that I ordered from Verdant Dwellings, stick around. I ordered this package around 2 weeks ago, and I know that it wasn't going to be posted out till Monday or Tuesday of this week, but there's been so many delays with Australia Post that I didn't receive it until Sunday. Let's get started. These poor plants have been in here for almost a week now, so I have no idea what condition they'll be in. I am a little excited, I have to admit. Okay, so it's actually 2 boxes that have been sticky taped together. So let's dive in. Okay, the box defeated me for a while, but I've worked it out. So I thought I'd show you how they're packed. You just put into this box upright, and then they're sticky taped, and you actually have to open the sides. I tried everything else before I figured that out. So I should be able to now get them out and show you what it is that I got. I said try. Well, here we go. Here we go. Oops. Okay, that can go. Okay. Oh, these poor darlings, they've been stuck in the mail for so long. Can't see them clearly, don't worry, I'm going to show you. I made a bit of a mess. So, this is my Philodendron Birkin. Just such a cutie pie. Oh, I really like the leaves on these. I know they're very fashionable, but I don't buy plants if they're fashionable. I only buy them if I like them. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. And it's in great nick considering it's been in the mail for a week. It's actually in a plastic nursery container. So I'm not actually going to undo all this tape on screen. I'm sure you don't want to see that, but I have no doubts that the plant is very healthy because it actually does look very healthy. Oh, just gorgeous. And next, this is my Heartleaf Philodendron. I'll do a close-up after and I'll let you see the plants in their full glory. There's one leaf that's a little damaged, but the rest of it looks great, and I believe they're really hardy. So yes, that's number 2. Okay, so I've opened the other box, and first one I want to show you is this. This is an Alocasia black velvet. Wow, they're just, it's just gorgeous. And I really love the leaves there. You can see the actual side of the leaves is all red. It's just stunning. Okay, there's a little bit of damage to one leaf, but The other three are perfect. This is my very first Alocasia, so I guess we'll see how I do with it. And the last one I want to show you, this is actually my wish list plant. Before I get onto the plant, just wanted to say that I did an excellent job on the wrapping. It was very well protected. I made a little bit of a mess, but that was my fault because I couldn't figure out how to open the first box. This is the plant why I placed the order in the first place, and it is a Peperomia prostrata, or string of turtles. I did lose a couple of its leaves. Don't know if you can see that properly, but like I said, I'll provide you with screenshots of all the plants probably tomorrow when there's a bit more light. But they have such amazing markings on their leaves. They look like turtles. It looks in great nick. It's only a baby. All of these are babies. I tend to buy small plants so I can test myself and see if I can keep them alive. I don't really like spending a lot of money on plants. Besides, I actually get a lot of satisfaction in growing them myself and seeing them do well. As for my verdict on plant mail, I definitely prefer to go into the stores and buy plants, but it's a little hard now with the lockdown. But I'm extremely impressed with the quality of the plants as well as the packaging. They didn't move at all in these boxes. So Verdant Dwellings, great job, and thank you very much for my new babies. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below which one was your favourite. And if you have any care tips, I will definitely take them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, that would be great. Again, thanks very much for watching. And until next time, take care. Bye.